Okay? Number 3. Puntahan natin yung number 3 sapagkat nalagpasan ko. Foundation of discipleship. Makikita po natin yan sa John chapter 9 verse 26 hanggang 27. Okay? Sabi po dyan sa verse na yan, "Woman, here is your son. My disciple, here is your mother." Foundation of discipleship. Yung iba po yung pagka-explain ko dyan, pero I was praying to the Lord, ano ba yung gusto mong sabihin dito para sa akin? Then the Lord reminded me that this is the power of discipleship. Okay. The third of Jesus' 7 last words on the cross signifies that discipleship is very important. Discipleship is caring and caring is a life legacy before leaving the earth. You know, ang discipleship is caring yan. At yan yung gustong sabihin ng ating Panginoon. "Woman, here is your son. And my disciple, here is your mother." Mga kapatid, kailangan po tayo mag-disciple. Hindi po pwede yung ligtas lang po tayo as per dun sa number 2 na foundation. Kailangan po tayo i-build yung foundation na ito, which is very important. Hindi mag-grow ang church kung wala pong foundation ng discipleship. At ito po yung gustong ituro ni Lord sa atin. Yung caring po natin sa bawat isa. Yung i-care mo. Care mo yung family mo, i-disciple mo yung family mo, i-disciple mo yung asawa mo, i-disciple mo mga anak mo, yung mga friend mo, yung mga kasama po natin sa trabaho. That is why you are there. For you to disciple. Nagmayat kakabsat yan the disciple. This is a legacy. Don't you know when God will take you out from this earth and then you leave a legacy. At yung legacy mo na yun, mga pamilya mo, ligtas na disciple mo. Okay? Jesus Christ will be proud. And then blessing will flow. So starting from now, let us find a person kung sino po yung ating i-disciple. That is number 3. Okay? The number 4 is the foundation of redemption. Okay? And then the number 5, medyo bilisan po natin pagkat wala na po tayong time. Number 5 is foundation of divine healing. Makikita po natin dyan sa 5th words of Jesus Christ.